Are you having problems with National Instruments application not locating the Nilvaiu Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Avoid long manual edits for Nilvaiu Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Nilvaiu Library, a specialized Intel audio initialization module. It provides unmanaged routines for Intel smart sound technology, facilitating the hardware-accelerated audio manifest data link. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This error indicates a missing or corrupted file, specifically within the National Instruments application environment. I suggest you reinstall the latest version of National Instruments application to allow the installer to restore Nilvaiu Library DLL automatically. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Nilvaiu Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like Nilvaiu Library DLL within your System32 or syswow64 folders. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to Nilvaiu Library and system efficiency. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Nilvaiu Library or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.